The ultimate comparison, electric versus manual toothbrushes. Which reigns supreme? Tired of guessing if you're really cleaning your teeth? The age-old debate rages on, electric versus manual toothbrushes. Which one truly delivers a superior clean? Let's dive deep and uncover the truth. Manual toothbrushes are the OGs of oral hygiene. Traditional, readily available at every corner store, and undeniably budget-friendly. They're the reliable workhorses we've all grown up with. They offer simplicity itself. You're in complete control of the pressure and movement, making them a familiar and comfortable choice for many. Plus, they're incredibly portable. No batteries, no charging, just grab and go. However, the effectiveness of a manual toothbrush hinges almost entirely on your technique. A lack of focus can lead to missed areas and incomplete cleaning. Inconsistent brushing habits can leave plaque lurking in hard-to-reach spots. Inadequate pressure won't effectively remove stubborn plaque buildup. Improper angles can hinder cleaning along the gum line, potentially leading to gingivitis. Mastering the art of manual brushing takes practice and dedication. Manual brushing can also be surprisingly time-consuming. Achieving a truly thorough clean requires a dedicated 2 minutes of focused effort, twice a day. Electric toothbrushes represent a leap forward, leveraging technology to enhance your brushing experience. They offer a range of features designed to improve cleaning effectiveness and overall oral health. These aren't your grandpa's toothbrushes. Electric models come packed with innovative features. Let's explore some of the core technologies that power these devices. Oscillating rotating technology features a small, round brush head that pulsates and rotates to scrub away plaque. This mimics the motion dentists use during professional cleanings. Sonic vibration technology uses high-frequency vibrations to create microbubbles that disrupt plaque and bacteria. This gentle yet powerful action cleans deep between teeth and along the gum line. Ultrasonic vibration technology takes it a step further, using even higher frequencies to break down plaque without direct contact. This is often combined with sonic vibrations for maximum effectiveness. Electric toothbrushes are designed to break down plaque more effectively than manual brushing alone. The consistent, automated action helps remove even stubborn buildup. Many models incorporate built-in timers to ensure you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes. Pressure sensors prevent you from applying excessive force, protecting your gums and enamel. Quadrant pacing is another common feature, prompting you to move to a different section of your mouth every 30 seconds. This ensures consistent cleaning across all areas. Built-in timers are a game-changer, helping users brush for the full recommended 2 minutes without having to keep track themselves. No more guessing. Pressure sensors are a valuable addition, preventing damage to gums and enamel by alerting you when you're brushing too hard. This is especially helpful for those prone to aggressive brushing. Electric toothbrushes are generally considered more effective at removing plaque and reducing gingivitis. This is especially true for models with oscillating rotating or sonic technology. Studies consistently show that electric toothbrushes outperform manual brushes in plaque removal. The consistent, powerful cleaning action makes a noticeable difference. They're also more effective at reducing gingivitis, the early stage of gum disease. This is due to their ability to reach and clean areas that are often missed with manual brushing. The effectiveness of both electric and manual toothbrushes ultimately depends on proper technique and consistent use. A high-tech brush won't compensate for poor habits. No matter which type you choose, brushing twice a day for 2 minutes is crucial. Consistency is key to maintaining optimal oral health. Manual toothbrushes are significantly cheaper up front, making them an accessible option for everyone. Replacement heads cost only a few dollars. Electric toothbrushes require a larger initial investment. The cost can range from affordable to quite expensive, depending on the features and brand. Replacement brush heads for electric toothbrushes are also more expensive than manual brushes. This ongoing cost can be a deterrent for some. Maintenance is relatively simple for both types of toothbrushes. Rinse thoroughly after each use and store in a clean, dry place. Regardless of the type, replace your brush head every 3 months or sooner if the bristles show signs of wear. Worn bristles are less effective at cleaning. Electric toothbrushes offer a superior cleaning experience for most people. The automated action and built-in features can significantly improve oral hygiene. They're particularly beneficial for those who struggle with proper brushing technique or have limited dexterity. The automated cleaning action takes some of the guesswork out of brushing. Manual toothbrushes remain a viable option, especially for those on a budget or who prefer simplicity and control. They can be just as effective with proper technique and dedication. Ultimately, the best toothbrush is the one you use consistently and correctly. Focus on developing good brushing habits regardless of the type of brush you choose. Consider your individual needs, budget, and preferences when making your decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consult with your dentist for personalized recommendations. They can assess your oral health and help you choose the best toothbrush for your specific needs. Ready to take control of your oral health? Schedule a checkup with your dentist today to discuss the best toothbrush and brushing techniques for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on maintaining a healthy, beautiful smile.